What better place to enjoy some quality time with your mate than the Australian bush? This is where our videographer Gary Tresize found himself recently when he and his friend Chris went camping on rural farmland about 30 kilometres west of Warwick in southeast Queensland. They stayed for 3 days and enjoyed fossicking for gold with a metal detector and sitting around the campfire. When asked what he most loved about the camping trip, Gary said it was the tranquility of being out in the bush with no one else around except the wildlife. Studies have confirmed that being in nature is an antidote for stress. A 2020 Yale University School of the Environment study found that it can lower both blood pressure and stress hormone levels, reduce nervous system arousal, enhance the function of the immune system, reduce anxiety and improve mood. This and other similar studies point in one direction, writes journalist Jim Robbins, and that is that nature is not only nice to have, but it's a have to have for physical health and cognitive function.